Oh my god! Oh, jeez. 10 out of 10 driving. That, okay, whatever. Straight through. Welcome to the wrong side of the road. There you go. If your motorcycle has training wheels, I'm a little bit concerned. Nice. Take my mountain bike and go ride in Moab. That is where I am. Thank you. Yeah. You are, in fact, on the wrong side of the road. Nice. I think so.
Oh, I didn't put us at the top for this thing.
No, I put the trailhead. That was was that an accident?
Did you just power slide?
Oh, she's got her phone in her hand. That was just straight up through a red light. Interesting.
Like most of my plans didn't work out. Like I wanted to take like
yeah.
I wanted to take an engineering management class.
Oh, that's a good thing to do. Yeah.
I wanted, but
not quite what that lane is for. Whoa! Oh! What the heck? Look at the freaking fire truck. Wow.
She has her phone in her hand. In her hand.
Yeah. Took one of his hands off the handlebars to signal that he was about to turn left. And, well, that was a good red light run. And
Talk show for the fall. Oh yeah, and she's a mom. Okay. Just
yeah.
Like, what? I'm standing.
Well, that wasn't even close to a green light. Look at that guy. What are you doing? Driving with lights on is really hard. They give up. That means I get it. Perfect. Oh boy, that was a stop sign there I could not see. Oh jeez. Watch, I get pulled over for that. Oh. Suck. Oof. Whoa. Yeah. And that is the side of the road.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Is it cool if I don't approve it?
Believe it or not.
Believe it?
Because it looks higher from the front than most.
The usual,
Yeah.
Without any weight in the back.
Yeah. And when we put weight in the back, it lowered and you could tell that the front was sitting higher. Wow.
Oh, jeez. We could not get two cars next to each other here.
Traverse.
That
Yeah.
would be so much fun.
Just gonna
We
come
are
back up this
driving
way.
under rocks.
We are driving under rocks.
Very cool.
Overhang.
Like off-center.
Yeah.
But-
So the borders are all messed up.
Go
It's
that way.
like maybe that's Russia. Some country will like smooth roads. So that, yeah.
Yeah.
So the other countries don't know where they are, and then it's like one side of the ferry is different.
Doesn't that seem like there'd be a universal offset? Or else it'd just be like, if they still want it, the map to be
Yeah, flex truck.
readable, or like within the boundary of China, does that map make sense, or is everything just fucked up?
Right.
I
Yeah.
never just assumes that it's fucked.
Because otherwise, it'd be like, okay, well, I'm just gonna see where the actual road is, and see where it is on the map, and calculate the offset, and just
Yeah.
fix everything.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I don't know. I'd be good here.
Oh, goodness. Do we have this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get out and look.
I think it'll be fine. We'll take it nice and easy.
Ooh, I don't think Stanley would have made that one.
Oh no, Stanley's done worse.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, God.
I wouldn't have wanted to put Stanley through that.
Been over.
Yeah, we were very vertical there for a minute.
Everybody hang off the side.
Like a sailboat.
Yeah, dude. For real. Intense. Yeah.
You haven't done it in the seas near Croatia when you really thought you were going to flip. Ryan is a crazy sailboat driver.
I believe that.
You could say like, oh yeah, let's go climb that.
Yeah, it's like so cool. Wow. Like right there, too.
Yeah.
Where's the chatting?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the lake right there. It should be. I guess. Yeah, it is.
There's a camper van out there.
Fuck you, can't actually. That's good.
I don't want to like dump
A
all
party.
the kids.
That's been great.
Colorado.
Yeah, right.
Actually, no.
Actually. Hey, look, we totally find one out here. Totally got it. No, like there was a bigger one. I saw it with my own eyes.
That's like a big block.
Yeah, I was looking at that one. Like, what the heck?
Acres.
Uh,